Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is girl Naveera. So today we are going to make macaroni. So let's move on to the video. So the ingredients you will be needing in order to make the macaroni are salt, chili powder, coriander powder, garlic paste, macaronis. You can also use spaghetti or anything you want, and onions. We've put the onions onto the stove so it will be red, and then we are going to add all these ingredients. And also you need mince. We are going to make the macaroni with the mince. So yeah, so we've put the onions into a pot with oil and onions. So now these are going to be red now. Then we are going to add mince, and when mince is cooked, then we are going to add macaronis in it. First, add into the onion mixture garlic paste. Add garlic paste into the fried onions, chili powder, coriander powder, and now add mince. Cover the pot and let it cook. So the mince is cooked. Now we are adding water for some soup. You can, for the macaroni to boil, you can also boil the macaroni first, then put it in, but we are going on a shortcut, so yeah. We've added water in the mince. Now we are going to add the macaroni. So you need water that much, so the macaroni and mince are dipped in. Now we'll wait to the macaroni boil. So our macaroni with mince is completed. It's done and it's very soupy, delicious. You can serve it with ketchup, chutney, or even with salad. It's up to you. It looks very delicious. I can't wait to eat this. So this was today's video. Hope you guys liked it. So please like, share and comment down below, and hit that bell icon so when I post more videos like this you will get notified. Till then, bye guys. In the next video, bye bye.